Virtuous AI is an infrastructure as a service platform that helps you trust your AI. We make sure that your AI is fair, explainable, and reliable using our all-in-one platform. To get started, all you have to do is sign up. Welcome to our dashboard. From here, you have access to all sorts of tools and resources to help you build and improve your AI models. Forums allow you to be active in your community and get help on topics ranging from bias to governance. Our Learn section gives you access to tutorials and API examples to get you up and running in your production environment. Most importantly, we have our developer tool, Virtuous Insight. It makes it easy and seamless to diagnose, debug, and improve your AI models. To get started, click on New Pipeline, which is one AI project. Our example is going to be a loan approval model for a financial institution. Next, you'll import the input and output data for your AI model. We provide instructions and some templates in the Learning section. It's really easy to import your data by just dragging and dropping it in. Or you can choose to use our API, where you have different options to import your data. After importing, the next step is to verify your data structure. We make some AI predictions for you, but you should check and update your labels and the data types to describe the data. In this case, we update the loan approval field as an output and two of the input fields that had very sparse data. Once complete, Virtuous AI develops a white box AI model for your data, which will then be used for diagnostics and analytics. Now, let's look at the Diagnostics Module, which provides an overview of your system using our proprietary Virtuous AI metrics. AI fairness is a patented combination of metrics, including disparate impact, that measures bias in your model. In this case, we see that bias has been slightly increasing over time. AI reliability is a patented combination of metrics, including KL divergence, that is used to measure the ability of your model to competently predict new data points. In this case, reliability is slightly decreasing. Virtue index is an overall measure of the morality of your system. The goal is to improve this metric over time. We also have alerts that can be set to warn you of any changes in your model that might require attention. If you click on any point on any of the diagnostic graphs, you automatically move to the analytics portion of Virtuous Insight, in this case, the bias monitor. Now you can use the bias monitor to look at any of the inputs and see the impact on fairness. In this case, the model is biased for the very young and the very old. If you drill in on the AI reliability graph, you can look at the distribution of the data sets. The most powerful part of Virtuous AI is the Explainability Module. This module allows you to understand the relative contributions of the inputs to the outputs based on the white box model we created. For example, if we drill in on any individual, you can see why they were not approved for the loan and the relative contribution of each of the inputs. But beyond that, using dynamic explainability, you can do what-if analysis and understand what would need to change for the loan to be approved. We have other resources such as custom templates and tools to add accountability and traceability to the process. Thanks for learning about Virtuous AI, and we hope our resources will help you to build more ethical AI models and allow you and other stakeholders to trust your AI.